Good morning everyone. My name is Vaishnavi Anand Gunse. Today I am going to present water holding capacity of soil. I am going to use three types of soil: sandy soil, loamy soil and clay soil. Let's do practical. I have cutted a bottle in between this, and then I have made plus sign on the top of the bottle. Then I have put this like this. Then put some cotton inside this, and then take the sandy soil. Then put some water inside this. See, water is not absorbed by the soil. It is moving downwards. Let's do another loamy soil. Put some cotton inside it, and then put some loamy soil. Pour some water. See, the loamy soil is absorbing the water, and after some time water will be flowing downwards. And last one is clay soil. Then this is the clay soil I am putting inside this. Pour some water. Pause कर. It is not allowing the water through it. This is